The purpose of this video is to document the test of this solar tracker. As you can see, there is about a 1.5 watt solar panel there. It's connected to a gearbox that's connected to a sensor. And if you look at this board here, the board really has two sections. One is to monitor the sensor. It's supposed to follow the sun, and it will run the motor either forward or reverse to move the solar panel to track the sun. And it gets its power from the solar panel as well, although in this test I have the board connected to these power supplies. I'm monitoring voltage using a oscilloscope. As you can see here, I don't know if this will show it, but particular reading at 1 volt to division, that's 6 volts, so that's the voltage across the battery pack. And I'm monitoring current on both the power supplies with another meter. Currently the current's at 310 milliamps. The bulk of that is going to charge the battery pack here. It's 4 nickel metal hydride batteries. I measured them, and I'm starting to record here their output. One thing I'll add is that the regulator that regulates the 20 volts down to about 8 to supply the batteries needed a heat sink. It got very hot, and even at a few hundred milliamps it gets hot. So for this test, I have a fan that's sitting there. It'll run all night, and I'll just take some data and see, does this circuit in fact handle the charging of the batteries. Currently what I have connected to the batteries is actually to another regulator, is this pump. The idea is this will be for a solar water pump, so this pump will be running. I just put a lid on that container to keep the water in there, but the power for the pump is coming from the regulator board. The first regulator on the left there takes the 20 volts down to about 3.5 volts and runs the pump. The next regulator takes the 20 volts and knocks it down to about 8.75 volts, which then goes through this constant current regulator, which is the third TO220 package there, that then charges the batteries. The 4 batteries is about 24 50 milliamp hour batteries. One's a 2650. So we'll see tomorrow how it goes. I'll take the batteries out and then remeasure them. The measurements right off the charger were 1.4, 1.6, 1.6, 1.6. We'll see tomorrow how that goes.